Product name, Echo Dot, 5th Gen, 2022 release, Kids. The all-new Echo Dot Kids is a smart speaker designed for kids with parental controls. The device is equipped with an improved speaker that delivers clearer vocals and rich, vibrant sound. It allows kids to ask Alexa to play music, read a bedtime story, get help with their homework, and more. They can stream songs from Amazon Music, Apple Music, Spotify, and others. The device comes with a digital subscription called Amazon Kids Plus, which is designed for kids aged 3 to 12 to safely learn, grow, and explore. On Echo Dot, kids can enjoy kid-friendly audible books, interactive games, fun morning routines, and educational Alexa skills. After 1 year, your subscription will automatically renew every month starting at just $4.99/month plus applicable tax. You may cancel anytime by visiting the Amazon Parent dashboard or contacting customer service. Pros: designed for kids with parental controls. Improved speaker that delivers clearer vocals and rich, vibrant sound. Kids can ask Alexa to play music, read a bedtime story, get help with their homework, and more. Comes with a digital subscription called Amazon Kids Plus. Easy-to-use parental controls. Built with multiple layers of privacy controls. Cons: expensive app at more than $165 annually. Only works on mobile devices. In conclusion, the all-new Echo Dot Kids is a great device for kids to learn, play, and explore. It is equipped with an improved speaker that delivers clearer vocals and rich, vibrant sound. The device comes with a digital subscription called Amazon Kids Plus and easy-to-use parental controls. However, it is an expensive app at more than $165 annually and only works on mobile devices. The product is available on Amazon from $27.99. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for our latest videos.